Instagram Story lets you share photos, videos, or text with your followers. In this video, we'll show easy ways to upload content from your gallery to Instagram Story. Part 1. How to add photos or videos from gallery to Instagram Story. 1. Add recent photos to Instagram Story. Open Instagram and tap the camera icon. Swipe up to open gallery shows last 24 hours photos. Select a photo or video. Add stickers or text if desired. Tap your story to post. 2. Add older photos to Instagram Story. Screenshot creates a new recent image. Edit slightly modify to make it new. Change info adjust capture time via an app. Share from gallery or photos share Instagram Story. Story sticker pick any image from gallery. Part 2. How to upload multiple pictures or videos to Instagram Story. Add multiple photos or videos to Story. Open Instagram and post a photo to Story. Tap camera again to add more. Repeat to create a slideshow. Each story lasts 24 hours. Part 3. What to do when video uploading failed. Check internet and switch Wi-Fi data. Restart app or device. Update app. Confirm video size format length. Free storage. Disable VPN or data saver. Try another device network. Resave compress video. Clear cache. Keep app open.